Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Today we are making Dawadawa Jollof from tamale. Let's begin. So we have Sheabutter, Dawadawa, our dried fish. We have green bell pepper, our Habanero pepper, that is the red and the green. So we also have this onion, tomato paste, our local rice, seasoning cube, Fenugreek, and Calabash nutmeg. We also have our salt. Abu, where bring the salt? So now this is what I'm going to do. This fenugreek with the Calabash nutmeg, the fish, the onion, the bell pepper, the seasoning cube. I'll add everything together, transfer it into my mortar, and I'll pound everything together. Shea butter so that it will melt. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. Now I'm done with the pounding of the ingredients, and I'll just add it to the melted shea butter that is on fire, and I'll let it fry for 2 minutes before I add my tomato paste. See how bubbly the shea butter is? Unless you are here to see or to feel the aroma of the shea butter. Shea butter is good for cooking. It's also good for our skin. So I have just added some salt to my pounded ingredients. So after adding my tomato paste, I'll just add my water directly. At this point, I'll just cover with my lid. When it starts to boil, then I'll add my rice. Now I'll wash the rice whilst the water is getting ready to boil. Now the rice that we have, there are no stones in it, so you just need to wash it well. So I'll let the water boil before I add the rice. I'll drain off this water. So I'll just open my pot to check on how far. Oh, it's boiling well. So I'll just add the rice. Then I'll just stir it. Then I'll cover it and allow it to cook. So now after 8 minutes, I have opened to check and also to stir so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. After stirring, I will cover it again for additional 7 minutes. This type of rice is the soft type, so it doesn't need much time to get cooked. So you have to be extra careful even when you are adding the water so that it doesn't become too soggy. So I have opened after additional 7 minutes and my Dawadawa jollof is ready for serving. I hope you also make some for your family, and I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.